Get ready for the all-new One UI 7 for Galaxy AI. More personalized, more intuitive, and more natural than ever. A true AI companion. Let's see how it can help you every day. It learns from the way you use your device, keeping what you check the most all in one place. Highlighting what you really need right on your lock screen.
Find Italian, pet-friendly restaurants with outdoor seating nearby and text them to Luca.
Whether you're sharing a custom emoji that matches your mood, or editing a snap in seconds with AI, or your imagination, however you like. Your AI companion listens and responds to the way you naturally speak, like talking to a friend.
My eyes are feeling tired.
Finding the setting you need has never been easier. And no more scrolling for the right photo.
Find the photo of Max enjoying a spa day in a bathrobe with a cucumber eye mask.
And of course, your personal data stays personal. The all-new One UI 7, built for you.